Tech and clips.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, my name is Philip. This is Philiminizzy Reacts. On this channel, we do music reactions to your favorite songs, your favorite bands, to your favorite artists. And if this is the kind of content you are very much interested in, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, join the family, all of the negativity up in here. We are back to checking out a new artist on the channel. His name is Rod Stewart. Rod Stewart. To put this out there, I've never heard any of his music, so I mean, this is definitely going to be first time reaction, first time listen. This song is titled Sailing, and this is the official music video. Yeah, shout out to you guys, you know, for throwing this my way. Yeah, definitely give my view, definitely give my interpretation, my take about this song at the end of the video. So I hope to see you there. Without wasting much time, without further ado, let's take a listen. Rod Stewart with Sailing. Let's go. Okay.
I am sailing.
Okay.
I am sailing home again. Across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free.
Okay.
I am flying.
Wow.
I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be near you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far
Okay, so yeah, that was a Rod Stewart. Rod Stewart with the song "Sailing." Wow, I have to say this song. Uh, I mean, first time listen, this was definitely a good one. I feel like Rod Stewart is an exceptional talent, my exceptional vocalist, exceptional songwriter. I have to say, this song really, really, really goes in deep. I have to say, and in terms of the instrumentation, this song "Sailing," I feel like features that lush, orchestration of strings, some brass and piano. I feel like that creates that warm and expansive sonic landscapes. I have to say, the opening piano chords, I feel like sets the tone for the song's introspective and contemplative mood. While the siren strings section adds a sense of grandeur and emotional depth. The brass section, I feel like it provides a powerful and dynamic counterpoint, to Rod Stewart's vocals, building to a climatic chorus, and that is both epic and very, very intimate. I have to say, yeah, Rod Stewart's vocals are also, the standout, feature on the song, as he effortlessly, navigates the song's dynamic range and emotive lyrics. He I feel like his signature rasp, that raspiness behind his voice, I feel like adds a sense of vulnerability and sincerity, to the lyrics, which speaks to the universal themes of longing and the search for meaning. Yeah, the chorus in particular is a showcase, of Rod Stewart's vocal prowess, as he delivers, the siren melody and conviction. Um, as he delivers the siren melody with so much conviction and passion. I have to say, yeah, lyrically, this song, "Sailing," I feel like it's a poignant meditation, on the search for meaning and the purpose of life. The song's central. Um, I feel like the word "sailing" in this song is a metaphor, which I feel like represents, the journey of life itself, with its ups and downs, and the constant search for direction and purpose. The lyrics further goes into speak to the universal human experience, of feeling lost and adrift, but also the hope of optimism that comes with the promise of new horizons. Beautiful, beautiful piece, I have to say. I loved his voice. I loved the instrumentation. I loved, the intimacy in, on this song. Overall, this is a masterpiece, if you ask me. I mean, the songwriting, the performance was just top notch, and I mean, definitely exceptional. I have to say, this is the first song in from Rod Stewart, and I feel like I'm already in love with his music, and I can't wait for other songs, to check out other songs on the channel. So yeah, guys, let me know if you love Rod Stewart and his music. Please go down the comment section and shoot me with some suggestions, and we will definitely come through and listen, do the needful. Yeah, I definitely enjoyed this one. So if you enjoyed this song and if you enjoyed my reaction, you know what to do. Give this video a like, show it some love, all the good stuff. Yeah. And thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video. More reactions on the way, so stay tuned. Yes, so until the next music reaction, take care, stay safe, and then peace out.